Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. It's midterm week. Woohoo! I know you're excited. Um, well, I don't know if you're excited, but in any case, your midterm is here. It's open. It's available to you. I hope you are feeling smart. I'm feeling a smart vibe just like being on this content page right now. So I feel like you guys are going to kill it as long as you put your energy into it. It is 8 questions. It is open. You have all week to write it. It's due a week from yesterday at 11:59 p.m. All course material is applicable. I would look back in the posts for ideas and all the good work you've been generating all semester should contribute to your writing of this exam. So it's 8 questions based on the 8 basically content areas that we've covered. So you have everything you need. Put your energy into it. Edit it, because since you have a week to write it, I don't want it to be sloppy. I want you to have it, grammar, etc. If you got feedback from me in the paper about editing, and that means that it wasn't good enough last time, and so please use your support systems, use the writing center, read it to a friend, do something so that it flows well and that you have your thoughts organized. All right, feel free to reach out to me this week if you have any questions. There's obviously no posting in addition to writing the midterm. You'll just be writing the midterm, and I'll be around this week on campus Tuesday, Wednesday, or via email anytime. So hopefully if you need me, you can check in with me. All right? You're smart. You're talented. I know you can do this. So just go kill it. All right. Take care.